closer.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where we going?
We're going to VW Days.
Yeah, where is it?
Day 1, France.
Day 1. France.
It's day 1 of the show.
Day 1 of the show.
Bro.
Day 2 of the trip.
There's a shimming roadblock.
We're going to sell merchandise. That's it?
Yes.
See you later. On the way? I had no idea. We had no idea. We didn't know what we were doing. Hey everyone. Hello everyone. Good to see you. Hello.
How are you guys?
Hello, good to see you.
Hey, you did well to cut from on the grass because it's
Crazy. Crazy. How are you? Is this the right spot?
Exactly.
Is this okay?
Perfect.
Sorry we're late. Are we late? What time? We don't know what time to come. What time normally should we be here?
Show and Shine is officially opening in 5 minutes. So you're on point. No worries. Take your time.
Okay.
That's us. We're here.
That's a big queue.
Yeah. Right. See you in a minute.
Everyone say a small prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, keep this drone from entering heaven.
That's where it's going.
No, you don't want it to go to heaven. Alright. No way. Don't do it to us.
Wow.
Or Dad.
Wow. And we're over live at the VW Days. It's a great day out here.
Midday review of the day.
Midday.
Midday review of the day.
So far so good. It's very nice weather. Very nice show. Very chilled out. Not too big, not too small. Nice quality of cars. Nice people.
That's great. Thank you.
No problem.
Carry on.
Nice.
No, I meant to say carry on.
All right.
What do you think of this all-electric Polo?
Interesting.
I was I was standing there and I realized that I hadn't moved in maybe 3 minutes, and I was literally just like moving my head at all the completely random things that are on it. Have you seen all the completely random things that are on it?
Yeah. Should we start at one side because it's going to take a while?
It's electric. There's also
It's
a
like
lot.
Porsche electric too.
Yeah, there's also a lot of Porsche logos over it.
So let's move on to the engine.
Look at that strut brace there.
There's no engine.
There isn't. I'd say my favorite thing is genuinely the carpet.
He's been in our flight case.
Other things I like, look where the seatbelt goes. Yeah, look where the seatbelt goes in the seat.
There's the seatbelt, that's harness.
This, here.
Oh no, it's got normal seatbelts?
It also runs through.
Wow. Just a harness in the back?
There's a fan in this light. What's that all about?
See the exhaust? It's confusing.
Here, that's not good for rain, like.
No. It's also got more of the floor on the other side of this. What's that? That's the solar system. Of course it is. Yeah, this is very impressive. How do they do this?
Well, I meant like, are these like?
Oh, these are solar panels apparently.
They look like solar panels, but I don't think they are.
Is it glass or perspex? I haven't touched it.
It's glass.
I don't really want to knock it.
I'd say it's glass, but
Is it?
it's perspex.
Is it? Let's continue down.
Pardon?
This bit here is very impressive. Structural integrity of the car, questionable.
I'm gonna guess battery packs in the back, considering there's quite a large thing in the back. That thing.
That's it, that wee box there.
Oh, there it is. There. Look, you can see through. Looks like a car battery. That'll be quite a large battery, surely. I really don't know what this is. That must be the management. It has a big on and off button. That's the only reason to guess that.
It's got some USBs in the corner there, and just charge your phone.
And normal, that's a normal output as well. Craziest thing I think I've probably ever seen at a car show, to be honest with you. For the video?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright. Do you want me to drive? Do you want me to drive?
You drive?
Yeah, yeah.
No. It's not possible.
Good luck, James.
Meter 5.
It's what?
4 meter. 4.5.
4.5 meters.
Yes.
Do you think our van could do that?
Absolutely.
Let's try that later. And the camera doesn't look that impressive, but it is pretty impressive.
Yeah.
I've already opened it. That's a shotgun, but you need to. It won't really stab like. It won't stab now because it's already open. Just chug it. Are you a little bit alarmed that she knows that? It's gone fucking everywhere. Where's that roll come from?
Stop it aside. Just finish it.
Don't do this.
Oh, Amstel.
You got your nice t-shirt back.
Oh yeah, I know.
That's my favourite one.
To buy a new one. These are nice, these ones. They wash really well. This is random. Never doing that again. It was a little frothy, but this is why you buy your aftershave, and you it's just a spritz beneath. Nice. Look at that. What bit? Just go for a fag later. Right.
Well, here we are.
Is that a good view? It feels like a good view.
It's lovely.
Later that same evening.
We're in a taxi. James didn't video get into it, but we're not in it. So you can imagine how we would have got into it. Don't need to film. We're here. We're going to the hotel. Jay's in the front. We're going to make him talk to this random French guy. He won't like that. Jordan, he knows the way.
The way of the Jedi, not the way
He'll
of
tell you how to get there.
You ready to grab them beer? I really hope that the police come and shut this place down. Obviously let them do their burnouts for a while and then...
Oh, he's come back. He's come back.
Scotty Sheriff?
Yep, it's kind of sure.
Remember this? You've all met him. I've never actually met him.
Really?
That's him.
That's Scotty Sheriff there.
Candy showroom. All right, it's party. Is any of this legal?
Absolutely fucking not.
That's
What's
it.
up, cat?
That's it. Everyone go on. That's hectic. Do you want some wine?
No.
This is the second time I've drunk on this vlog. People are going to think I'm like an alcoholic or something. We can't be having that. Time of year again.
I'll give you gin, you give me wine. At the same time. You do it at the same time.
Oh, sounds like
Ready?
There we go.
We love it. We love it.
What's happening?
There he is. Just to confirm, spillage
what
is
is that?
leakage, okay? It's sangria,
That's
but it's
lovely.
very, very framboise.
I thought it was like red.
People are saying it's
I
like,
saw it. It was actually really nice. Oh, it's like water. It's like clear liquid.
oh, you didn't see that second squirt coming, did you? No, no one ever does.
Yeah, no,
No one ever does. I told you.
Yellow flag.
Clean up. Yellow flag.
Down,
Yellow flag. Oh wow, he can do a burnout, but he can't drift.
I don't even know what's going on anymore. I've just got open diff, otherwise I'd literally be out there. They don't call me the British Ken Block for nothing. He has welded that diff overnight. There is no way, because that was an open diff yesterday. That was mechanics with Ollie Goodwin. Yes! Oh, one of those was nutty. Yes! Tell him. Oh, Subaru.
Watch your leg on that exhaust. Randomly ended up in the car with the guy who was drifting. Well, like attempting to drift.
Open diff life. That's it. I haven't opened diff too.
Attempting to drift, I think. But like, did you get one good one though?
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah. I think I seen that really good one. Like.
When my mate was sat in there, I think
it helped.
Yeah.
Don't be crashing or anything.
I won't. I promise.
See you in a bit. Thank you, mate. So it's day 3 of the trip, day 2 of VW Days. 2 men, a lot of 2s, 1 3. Yeah, last night got pretty rowdy, as you can previously seen. Yeah, weather's out, it's looking good. The weather's out.
The weather's out.
The sun.
Thanks for coming out, weather.
Thanks for coming, weather.
Glad you can make it.
Sun's out, it's looking good.
Sun's out, bums. Guns out.
Jay's usual top form. James, not too much crack as usual. And yeah, that's it. That's a long queue. What's going on?
Yeah. Just in this queue.
What?
Just in this queue.
Is that in your Game Boy?
Yeah. I actually just caught a red Gardos. Pretty chuffed with that.
How long have you been in this queue for?
I haven't even noticed time passing. Been having that much fun. So close I can almost taste it.
Hello.
Hello.
Can we have 4 sausages, please? Hot dogs. There you go. That's it, good.
Okay.
Oh, you got that? Alright. There we go. Okay, Big C, so when you see this, we bought you this present. You should probably ask for it because we're going to keep it until you edit this.
How are you got it before me? Yeah. Okay. I was getting ready to go and get that there, but you obviously beat me.
To the playback, what it says?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Big C, so when you see this, we bought you this present. You should probably ask for it because
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Until you edit this.
What is it?
And then you should probably put this in the vlog. And then receiving the gift. But like,
oh, here's this for a phone.
yeah, because you like Volkswagen so much.
Sick. Look at that there.
I got you a Volkswagen phone holder.
Unreal. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very cheesed with that.
So here, by the way, the show's over. Yeah, basically the show's over. When we filmed that, that was actually like 4 hours ago, and then we didn't film anything else. So pack up, Jim's tired, and get some food.
Croissants?
Nope.
Baguettes.
Baguettes. Yeah, the show was really good, really chill, nice weather, nice people. Guys here are very, very nice, and we love coming. So,
Was there what was outside this bit? Was there cars over there? Was there?
Jim was just in the tent all weekend.
Get it? Take some miss. I don't know.